Hello students, good afternoon. My name is Professor D.Y. Patil. Welcome to my lecture on chapter number 10, Halogen Derivatives, class 12 Science, Maharashtra State Board, New Syllabus 2020. In the previous lectures, we have studied about hydrocarbons, then classification of hydrocarbon, as well as halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon, classification of halogen derivatives, and classification of mono-halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon in detail. Today we are going to study important part of organic chemistry, that is nomenclature of organic compound. Today we will start with nomenclature of monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. See, we are going to study about nomenclature of monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. There are two ways for the nomenclature of monohalogen derivatives of alkane. First method is what? Common name system, and other name is what? Other method is what? IUPAC name system. Common name system is also called as trivial name system also. Trivial name or common name both are same. In order to give common name, you must remember the word alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. And for IUPAC name, you remember the word haloalkane. These two words are very important. Alkyl halide and haloalkane. Alkyl halide for common name, and for writing IUPAC name, use haloalkane. We will start with the common name first. Look at here. In order to give common name, you must count all the carbon atom present in the structural formula. First, see the first structure. In this structure, there are 3 carbon atoms. Total number of carbon atoms are 3. And here, this carbon atom is what? Primary carbon atom. And to this primary carbon atom, iodine atom is attached. And see here, there are 3 carbon atoms, so we can use the word N. And now 3 carbon atoms, we get what? N-propyl halogen iodine, means we get what? N-propyl iodide. N-propyl iodide is the common name of this structure. Now come to the second. One more thing I have to tell. If more than 2 carbon atoms are present, then in order to give common name, you must use the letter N. N means normal. Now come to the second structure. See here, there are 3 carbon atoms, but here this carbon atom is what? Secondary carbon atom, because this carbon atom is attached to 2 other carbon atoms. So it is secondary, and to the secondary carbon atom halogen atom is attached, means Br is attached. So its name is what? Its name is sec propyl bromide. Sec, that is secondary propyl bromide, because bromine atom is attached to secondary carbon atom. Now similarly, this can also be written as what? See this position first. If you get this position is called as what? Iso. See here, CH3 to the second carbon atom, methyl group is attached, means to the same carbon atom to methyl group are attached, and you got this position, this is called as what? Iso. So secondary propyl bromide can also be written as what? Or isopropyl bromide. Now come to third structure. Again here, see this carbon atom is what? Secondary, because this carbon atom is attached to 2 different carbon atoms. And halogen is what? Chlorine is attached to second carbon atom. Count the number of carbon atoms in this structure. There are 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to secondary carbon atom Cl is attached. So here again you get what? Secondary butyl, because 4 carbon atoms are present. Butyl chloride. Fourth, see again here. This position CH3, CH, CH3. This position is what? Iso. CH3, CH, CH3. And count the total number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here halogen is what? Chlorine. So here you get what? Again iso. Isobutyl chloride. See the difference. In secondary butyl chloride, halogen atom chlorine is attached to secondary carbon atom, and here chlorine atom is attached to what? Primary carbon atom, but it shows isoposition because to the second carbon atom methyl group is attached. So its name is what? Isobutyl chloride. Secondary butyl chloride and isobutyl chloride, they are what? They are different. Now come to fifth structure. Again here see the central carbon atom. It is tertiary because this carbon atom is attached to 1, 2 and 3 carbon atom, and to tertiary carbon atom Br is attached. So its name is what? Tertiary. We are writing on this third. Tertiary. Total number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4. Tertiary butyl bromide. Now come to the structures. Again see the center carbon atom. See, it is what? Quaternary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached to 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms. And again here Br is attached to what? Primary carbon atom. Now count the total number of carbon atoms 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get what? Its name is what? Neo and pentyl. Neopentyl bromide. So in order to give common name, you must count all the carbon atoms present in the structures, and we can use the words N, sec, iso, tertiary or new. These words are used. Now come to IUPAC name. The full form of IUPAC is what? The International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In IUPAC name, I told that for IUPAC name, monohalogen trinity of alkenes are named as what? Haloalkenes. In this manner, we have to give the IUPAC name to the different structures. Remember what? Haloalkane. Now see here. In order to give IUPAC name, we have to select the longest carbon chain that contains more number of carbon atoms. See the first structures. How many carbon atoms are present? 1, 2, 3. Now see that we have to select here such a carbon atom to which functional group is attached and give number 1 to that carbon atom. Here R is what? Iodo group, iodine atom, that is functional group, is attached to what? First carbon atom 1, 2 and 3. Its IUPAC name can be written as what? 1 iodo, 3 carbon atom, means parent chain is what? Parent alkane is what? Propane. So 1 iodo propane. Now see here. Again see, if you count this is the first carbon atom, then this is the second. That time, this is not the longest chain. Longest chain means what? It contains more number of carbon atoms. So we give 1 to this carbon atom, then second and third. Here to the second carbon atom Br is attached. So its name is what? 2 bromo propane. Now come to next structure. Again here count. See, this chlorine atom is near to this carbon atom, so give number 1 to this. And because this carbon atom is very far away from chlorine atom, this 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. You understood that here to second carbon atom chlorine atom is attached, so its name is what? 2 chloro. Total number of carbon atoms in the longest chain there are 4. So parent alkane is what? Butane. 2 chlorobutane. Similarly see here, I will remove this. This is the first carbon atom, this is the second, this is the third. Here it is called as what? 1, 2, 3. Don't count this methyl group in the longest chain because it is a substituent. This one is also what? Substituent. Here to first carbon atom chlorine atom is attached and to second carbon atom methyl group is attached. If you follow alphabetical order, then you get what? 1 chloro, 2 methyl, 1 chloro, 2 methyl. Parent alkane is what? Propane. Similarly, come here. Again here is the first, second, third carbon atom. To the second carbon atom, there are two substituents, Br and methyl. Again follow the alphabetical order. You get here 2-bromo. Then to the second carbon atom, methyl group is attached. Methyl group is attached. Again you put 2-methyl. Parent alkane is what? Parent alkane is propane. So 2-bromo, 2-methyl propane. Now come to last structures. Again here 1, this second, this is what? Third carbon atom. And these are what? Substituent. So here to first carbon atom Br is attached, and to second carbon atom 2-methyl groups are attached. So your name is what? 1-bromo 2-methyl group. So I put 2-dimethyl. Parent alkane is what? Propane. I hope you understood common name and IUPAC name for the monohalogen derivative of alkanes. Thank you very much. In the next lecture, we will study about monohalogen derivatives of arenes, haloarenes, etc. Now, thank you very much. We will meet again in the next lectures. Stay home, stay protected.